Hello guys. Welcome back to our another video. In today's video we are going to discuss some of the best ways that will surely help you to extend your Android phone's battery life. So, here we go. Before moving ahead with the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Solution 1. Turn on battery saver mode. All Android comes with an option of battery saver. Enabling this option cut down all the unnecessary functions on the phone to extend the battery life. To enable this option on your Android phone, you need to drag down the notification panel. Then search for battery saver mode option. And tap on it to turn it on. Solution 2. Turn down the brightness. There is no doubt that bright phone screen looks great and help to see things even more clear. But high brightness with bountiful pixels and crisp resolution are total battery hogs. And you probably don't need these high settings, as phone screen with low settings can also work out in the same way. So, turning down the brightness of the screen will save the battery life and is also good for your eyes. To do it, open the notification panel. There you can see the brightness bar. Here, simply lower the brightness. Additionally, you should also consider about disabling the auto brightness. Auto brightness is a feature on Android phone that adjusts the screen brightness automatically according to the need. So, turning this option off can also help the battery to last longer. Open the notification panel. Find the auto brightness option. And disable it. Solution 3. Disable vibration mode. Another way to save the phone battery is turning off the vibration mode. If you don't know, then putting the phone in the vibration mode consumes more battery than the normal or silence mode. So, if you want to save the battery of your phone, then you must disable the vibration mode and either set it on the normal or silence mode. For this, go to the settings. Tap on the sound and vibration. Under the vibrate section, turn off the vibration option for calls, in the silent mode, and on the tap. Solution 4. Switch to dark mode. Switching from the normal to the dark mode can also save considerable amount of phone battery. Dark mode is one of the best features Android has released so far. Enabling this feature is not just good for the battery but for your eyes too. However, this option is helpful only when your phone has OLED or AMOLED display. It won't do any favor to phones with LCD screen. So, if your phone has OLED or AMOLED display, then use this feature to boost battery life. To do this, open the notification panel and go to the dark mode icon and tap on it. Now, you will get the dark mode on your phone. Solution 5. Keep your apps updated. Keeping your apps updated not only helps to enjoy new features, but it also fixes bugs and other related issues. In fact, doing this also stops app from consuming battery using the latest features and technology. So, make sure all the apps on your phone are updated. To do so, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the profile icon given at the top right corner of the screen. Then, go to the Manage Apps and Device option. Tap on the updates available. Now, you can see all the apps that needs to be updated. Tap on the Update All button. It will take some time to update all apps, so have patience. Once all the apps are updated, restart your device and now your battery will last longer. Well, there are some more ways to keep your phone battery life longer. For more tips and tricks, follow the link given in the description box below. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, stay tuned with us.